Hello guys and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to actually add a custom URL to your Evite invitation. So the first thing you need to do is to choose a template you are designing. Okay, let's assume you are organizing a 10th birthday. Okay, just click on it and select a template you want to edit or customize so that it will be yours. Okay, it's still taking some time. So we have the free invitation and the premium invitation. Now let's just go. I really love this design. So click on it, choose the keep it basic. Okay, good. So on this page we get to edit the text, but I really just love this pizza games cake. This is every guy's dream. It's a party, bro. We are celebrating Eric's 10th birthday. June 14, 12 p.m. 50 East Sunset. So this is the address. I'm not 10 years old, but I really want to come for this Eric's birthday party. And I think I should have something like this. Okay, I'm already derailing. So the first thing is to click on text and um, select each text box to add to edit them. Click on this to be here. So click on each text to edit. Okay, we can't edit this because it's already infused with the package. You can't actually edit, so you can only edit the games, pizza games cake, and then this, and then the dates and address. So once you're done with this, click on next. This is just for the outward appearance. The next step will be to go to our where we get to add our event title and dates. Also, once you set your event title, I mean Eric is throwing a birthday party, so it will be Eric. I will just say Eric's Epic Throwdown. That's a very good title there. So it should be Eric's Epic Throwdown. Good. So, and then I can set the event to, let's say, 30th Friday. Yes, Friday is usually Friday 6 p.m. till dawn. That sounds nice. But it's just 10 years, I mean. So let's just put it to be like 4. And then we can add the location, Eric's house, or a friend that be called Chad or Brad or somebody, a name that sounds cool. Then in this we can add the address here, but we can also add the URL here. So you can do this. You can copy the URL and add here, and then also add your address. You can also add the URL from these notes from the hosts, and click on next. Okay, yes, there is actually a limit of 100 characters for the location. Yeah, okay. So you can just remove it here and leave it from the notes from hosts. Nope. Next, to go to the gifting section. So we don't want to gift anything, so just next to review, and here we can actually um, add a poll, create a poll, and what to bring list. So once you click on finish and add, okay, we have some errors, but this is not what I really want. So I want to show you how to add custom URL to a different part of the. So the first thing, so now we've created this particular event, so it should appear in our invitation section. I want to actually um, edit that and manage the events. So so click on, go back to your profile, and click on this, your profile name here, your picture rather. So click on my invitations. So you can search for the invitation. I think I put Eric So Eric's epic throwdown. It should appear good. So um okay, we still have to just okay, we've not actually, so we have to actually fix this error. Uh what's edit sample? Okay, you must actually edit something. It was not, you should not leave this generic. So mm, let me just put this. Yes. Yeah. And this pizza games drinks list, and then we can finish and add guests. It should take us to a page where we can actually manage the events. Skip, I don't want any of this. Good. Now click on manage events. Now this is what I wanted to get to initially by going to this other um side. So the first thing you have to do is you can add your guest from here. You can share your link here. You can actually copy this link and share. You can, from here, event notification setting, you can set your events to, or to send reminders to the invitees, and then you can send a personalized message here, and this setting takes you to the guest options. um and this is where you get to export your guest list. So wait is where you can share your link here, link copied, and then you can send it to wherever it is you want. So this is how to actually add your um custom URL on Evite for a particular event. But if you want to add another invite to make it yours, the another option will be for you to go to the this section. Is it, yes, another option will be to go to, you know what, let's just go to our page here. Click on my favorites. You know what, guys, I'll just make another video on it.